have somebody in your household who's troubled by small knobs. They may have arthritic hands, or you might have a little child who has trouble turning the light on. So there's a way to get around that, and it involves a glue gun, which is my favorite new toy. All right, so here is a selection of larger knobs, and really they're just things like pop bottle caps and also toothpaste lids. So you select the size that you want. I'm going up a size. Something like that would be good. And then squirt a bunch of the hot glue into the bottom of the thing, and then schmuck it on there like so, and then let it set up. And then what you've got there is a big giant knob instead of that puny little knob that was there before, and it makes it a lot easier for a hand that has trouble.